Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani and today we are going to see on the topic called charge on an electron. Now as we know, Dalton's atomic theory states that atom is the smallest particle, and Dalton's theory however tell that atom is indivisible, but later on Rutherford's alpha ray scattering experiment shown that atom consists of particles, and we know those particles, they are called as subatomic particles. Among the subatomic particles, we know there are protons and neutrons are the major particles, and around the nucleus there are particles that called as electrons, they are revolving. Neutron and protons, they are present in nucleus, hence called nucleons, but electrons are revolving around the nucleus in various shells and subshells. Today we are going to see how the charge on single electron, that is charge on an electron, how it is calculated. Before that, we already know, according to electrostatics in physics, there is Coulomb's law, and according to that there are two types of charges, positive and negative charges. We also know there are the units of charge like Coulomb, stat Coulomb, but do you know Coulomb is one of the very small unit of amount of electricity or charge, or that called as quantity of electricity, denoted by Q or small q rather. And remember, the big unit of charge is Faraday or 1 Faraday, and we have such relation 1 Faraday equal to 96,500 Coulomb. Very big unit. 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500 Coulomb. And students, remember, this 1 Faraday is also equal to charge on 1 mole of electrons. Charge on 1 mole of electrons. So it is the very important to know 1 mole of electrons, and we already know 1 mole means how much, that number 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 electrons. So what is the, until now that we have conclusion, 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 number of electrons means 1 mole of electrons, they have the total charge of 1 Faraday, and that 1 Faraday in Coulomb is this much, 96,500 Coulomb. So this can give the conclusion. We can find charge on single electron. Therefore, charge on an electron will be equal to, that is, charge on 1 mole of electron in Coulomb, 96,500 Coulomb, divided by the number of electrons present in 1 mole, they are 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 Avogadro's number. If we get that ratio, that is 96,500 Coulomb divided by this 6.0223 into 10 raised to 23, that will give the charge on single electron. I repeat here, therefore charge on 1 electron equal to total charge on 1 mole of electron divided by number of electrons in 1 mole, and that is equal to 96,500 divided by 6.023 into 10 raised to 23, that much ratio in Coulomb. And if we find this ratio by using calculator, then it is found that this ratio comes 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 Coulomb. So this is how the charge on single electron that is coming from. We know the charge on electron that required many times in the problems in the physics and chemistry. So this is the brief information about how the charge on single electron is calculated or how it comes. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Also press that bell button icon to get our video notifications. Thanks.